Stop wasting your time on useless Telegram earning systems. This is my Telegram channel. Every day people join here looking for new ways to earn online through Telegram crypto and different online systems. Most of them already tried dozens of fake methods before finding videos like this. And here is my wallet, just a normal crypto wallet that connects with different Telegram apps, platforms, and systems people use every day. But now I want to show you something interesting. Maybe you found this video from searches like how to earn in Telegram, Telegram bot earn money, or make money online Telegram. Thousands of people search things like this every single day trying to find something new that actually works. Now you can see the browser full of search results. People are constantly searching for Telegram earning methods and online money systems. Then we had tap to earn games, Hamster Combat, Notcoin, and many others. People spent hours tapping every day hoping to get rewards. Some people earned something, others got almost nothing. After that, NFT projects became huge. People started buying and selling digital pictures, hoping prices would go higher. Then prediction systems became popular. DraftKings, one-win predictors, different cappers, and signal groups. And you probably also know crypto cappers inside P2P communities. After that, people moved deeper into crypto trading, P2P trading, Trust Wallet, platforms like Binance, Bybit, and OKX. People tried to catch small price changes and make profit from them. But now let me show you something different. I go back to my Telegram channel, I open the pinned message, and we enter this system right here. Interesting interface, different buttons. So okay guys, I wrote start, and I click this link and close this game. Okay, after this I click continue, okay, and I click get this after following. And for today, I'm gonna choose only 3 bombs just to check how it behaves. So I wanna click completed here. I click next step here, and for now it's loading guys, okay? While it's loading, I just wanted to say that I already adjusted some important settings which helps to recognize me and connect with this bot. So every letter is important here, and I must write here right seed guys, because without it, everything gonna work wrong. So I copy second one, and paste in the chat, okay? So in the last one here, going to be something like a 2, 3, 1. And now it's loading. I'm already looking forward to the beginning. And oh my God. Okay, I need to start here again. Continue. Get this one. And now it's loading again, guys. Okay. So I'm waiting for... Oh, sure, now I need to this one. So I open the game, close this one, and click this blue button and green one. Here I'm going to choose this and I will copy it. So I go ahead to this app just to paste it. I click TRX, send, and I paste it here. So after this, I just need to load here this settings. Next, continue. It's loading, guys. All right, now it is forwarding, guys. Let's open this app and try reload it. It's been only a few seconds and nothing for now, sure. Okay, then let me just try to open from the scratch. Okay. So after this, I just need to open this game. So I already got it, nice. Okay, let's just continue. I click here, continue, and finally guys, I can start right now. I'm just gonna fill this one, something like this, and click this blue button. After this, I will start. Boom, boom, and boom. Wow, just look at this guys, okay? So boom and boom, wow. Oh my goodness, just look at this guys, it's really insane. Okay guys, it was really good session, so let me just continue. For next round, I'm gonna choose 23 bumps, just for test only. And I click here, open this game. Click here, completed. After this, I need to just choose 23 bumps in the game, okay? So after this, it's loading, and yeah, sure, now I found this blue button, this green one, and I will choose again this copy. Go back to this app, close this, open this, and I paste it here. So after this, I need to choose something like this for next one. And I click here, next, continue. So now it's loading, guys, no problem. And now it's processing. Finally, I can check it right now. I reload it, and nothing for now. Okay, I will just try to close it and open this game again. So finally, I got it, guys. Okay, let's go. Let me just continue here. I will click continue. So I already got it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, guys. For next one, I'm gonna choose again this and 23 bumps here after reloading. And let's go. So, boom. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And boom. Oh my goodness, bro. Just look at this. It is really insane. It's really amazing. Wow, guys. Let me just click this blue button. Without any extra words, I'm just gonna fill here something like this. Something like this. And I go back to this app just to copy it. I will close this, click this, and copy. Go back, and I paste it here. And this blue button. Nice. I got message about my request, guys, so let's just wait for this. I'm just gonna open this app again. So let me just try to reload it, guys. So, nothing for now, guys. Oh my gosh. Wait. Did you see that? No. There's no way this is real. Hold on. This actually just came in. I'm not even joking right now. This feels unreal. Like it's not happening. What is going on? It is insane, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, without any extra words, let me just complete this video. Right now, I'm going to show you where I could find it. It is my channel. Don't forget to follow me if you like my content. You can see here something interesting, some crypto news. So really, I appreciate you for watching this video. It was Alan Chester. See you later.